Hey guys, what is going on? It is Ashley here and welcome to the launch of Lucid. Now, Lucid is going live on April the 24th. That's a Saturday at 9 a.m. EST. We've got over $1,000 worth of prize money on this one. You can find all the details about the specific content below this video, but allow me to get straight to the point. What is Lucid? Essentially, Lucid is a method that allows your customers to get unlimited amounts of traffic and therefore commissions as well from social media. Now, everyone uses social media, everyone has social media. So this is an absolutely fantastic method that most importantly actually works. So what I did is I gave this method to a complete newbie. Her name is Betty. And what Betty did is she went out and implemented the method. And literally within just a couple of days, she had made over $250 with just 2 minutes work per day. Now, I say the term work lightly because actually in reality, it isn't much work. It's just a case of copying and pasting a few things. And she was making commissions and sales on the various affiliate platforms from the Lucid method. So yeah, as soon as we found out that this was actually working, we got the proof. We filmed a case study, which is also included in the front end of the training. I said to her, well, you know, you've got firsthand experience of actually implementing this. How about you run the training inside of Lucid? Because you're probably coming from the same sort of angle as most of your customers that you're going to be sending this offer to, going to be having the same sort of questions. So that's exactly what she did. She filmed a load of videos. There is a ton of modules inside of Lucid. Not a stone has been left unturned. So there's just a ton of value in there. And of course, that is going to translate into a ton of sales and therefore commissions for you. Okay, so I'm really excited about this one. If you've got any questions, our contact details are again below this video, but right at the bottom of the page. If you've got any issues or whatever it is, please do get in touch because we'd be more than happy to help. But remember, mark in your calendar, April 24th, 9 a.m. EST. We cannot wait to see you on the leaderboard. Cheers, guys. See you soon.